Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out this malicious website. I cannot do anything about it in terms of getting out of it. Just so you know, this is a fake warning. There's nothing you can do. No matter how many times you click cancel, it keeps coming back over and over again. And I just want you to be aware that it doesn't matter. You're not infected, so don't get excited that you are. You're not. So you don't have to worry about any of that, okay? So the only way to actually get out of this, and also if you notice it's 800 by 600 resolution, the only way you can get out of this is that if you right-click and go to Details in Windows 10 or Processes in Windows 7 and kill all the processes. But let's right-click the Firefox and close everything, so there's only one window open, which is that you see there. And then we're just going to simply close each Firefox or kill each Firefox process as we move forward. And that's it. End task. It crashed, which is good. Now you can hit cancel. And then end the task again. Keep going until every single one of it is done. And close out of it. And we're good. And that's it. Open up Firefox again, and you see that it's not restoring back to where it was, and you're good to go, and that is it. That is how it is done to get out of that situation. You don't have to worrying about being infected, because you're not. You don't have to call any 800 number at all. And that is it. That's how it's done. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell for notifications, and as always, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.